Welcome to KAOS. Hopefully you booted right off the CD and had no problems whatsoever. If you didn't boot right off the CD and instead ended up right back at your good old operating system, well, I guess you're just out of luck. You'll have to go find another YouTube video somewhere else. What can I say? No. But I'm not going to just drop this video tutorial and deal with every possible contingency. This is a hardware specific issue, so I will make a separate video called BIOS that deals with your basic input-output system of your particular computer, which is another issue and therefore will be another video. Okay, so here's KAOS. To get started, I'm going to give a lengthy lecture. Why don't we just dive right in? Up here in activities, now I can flip up there real quick, or if it doesn't open the window, you just click on activities here in the top left hand corner and it'll open up a little quickie access window. You can also hit the Windows special key on your keyboard. That's the second key from the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard generally. And it will also alternate you back and forth between your access panel here. Okay. So to get started, we'll go to our list of applications here, and you can see we just have a never-ending list of applications. It's actually quite dismal. That's because the power of KAOS is not in the graphical, baby applications you're used to. No, it runs, the power of KAOS is in the command line. So, to get started, let us make our first assembly language program. I'm going to create a data byte, which is just dB, and call it, just give it a value, and I'm going to hit save, which takes you to a save dialog, and I'm going to call this 01.asm. That tells it's an assembly language file. And here's your list of hard drives and whatever you have. Your PC Windows hard drive may not even show up on this list. And rather than deal with that whole nother can of worms, instead I am going to insert my removable media, my USB flash drive in there, which pops up on the list here. Of course, I said that was a prerequisite for this course. I do hope you came prepared, class. It opens another dialog here. I don't need this. I'm just going to get that out of the way. Okay, so to open it, you're going to click here. Don't click here, because that will immediately wipe out everything on it. You'll never be able to get into it again. No. Actually, what it will do is unmount it, and it will disappear from the list. You're like, well, what did I do? Where'd it go? To make it come back again, you just have to unplug your USB flash and plug it back in again. So I'm going to click one time here, and that opens up the list of stuff that I have on there. You probably have like some .exe files, so if you accidentally, restart your computer and forget to, remove the USB stick, it'll launch some kind of spyware or whatever, the usual kind of stuff. No, just kidding. Not. Here I've got some folders of various stuff that I've made. We're just going to make a new folder on my removable media by clicking the create folder button here. And sometimes you can just type and it will just start typing over this, but sometimes even though it's highlighted it doesn't, and if that happens, just go ahead and highlight it manually. And I'm going to make a new folder for assembly language stuff, and just to keep it short, we'll just call it SM. How's that? So there we go. In the assembly language folder, we are in there now, and we are going to save our ASM file. Okay, there. We've just made our first assembly language program.